Do you now, in your heart, believe you're the better player?
Actually, I've always said that I go by success, and he's won more championships, so I give him the nod.
Now, Magic, same question to you. Is Larry the better player?
I've always said that Larry was the better player.
Really?
Because he could do more, shoot from the outside, all those type of things. You know, to us, really, at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. And what matters to me is that I played against the best. I got to know the man, Larry Bird, and that we got this friendship right now.